Get into the 2023 Nissan Armada. Indulge your love of the strong, silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.